Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will be showing you how to create a post that is a daily news roundup that will directly connect to your website and deliver latest news roundups. Okay, so I would suggest using this for like a weekly news roundup. So if you want to post what is going on in the world, this system here can also be used for other things, not just news. It can be used for blogs, it can be used for certain niches. So this is a very, very good system here. So I'll be demonstrating to you how to build an automated weekly news digest in Make.com. This is designed to compile the latest top news stories from multiple sources into a single polished roundup article. This publishes directly to WordPress with SEO-friendly formatting. This is ideal for publishers, bloggers, agencies, and brands that want to deliver curated, authoritative content without manual research that posts automatically. Okay, so we're going to have a look at this, and what this system does is it aggregates recent news from 8 separate RSS feeds, as you can see over here. Then it passes and extracts headlines, stories automatically, uses AI to generate a cohesive, human-readable summary, and assembles a single structured news digest or editorial-style roundup. This automates, formatting and publishing directly to your WordPress site. But before I get started and go into the details, I just want to give a heads up of who I am. I am a certified advanced Make.com developer, certified by Make.com. This is actually a very simple blog output scenario that I have created. That didn't take very long. But if you want to view a more complex AI engine that I have created, please click the link in my description and click on my portfolio. In my portfolio you can find a 30-minute video of this mega AI engine that I created in Make.com. You can see all these modules, they all work together, and you can see how powerful this engine is that I've created in Make.com if you want something a bit more juicy, that is. Now let's go back to the simple scenario here. Please download the blueprint, which is also in the description below, and you can use this entirely for free in your own Make.com account and post directly to your WordPress. Okay, so let's get into it. These are RSS feeds. Let me actually demonstrate this for you. Let me just demonstrate this for you before I go any further. Now, I'm just going to click run once. This would normally be set up automatically, however you want. Once a day, every day, days of the week. So right now, I'm just going to click this button. I'm just going to do it manually, but this can be set up like once a week. So this is going to extract from 8 different news articles. Okay, I will run this now. Okay. RSS, what RSSs are is they monitor and they collect information from certain websites, and you can use them directly. A lot of companies provide RSS feeds. What this enables us to do is we can pull the latest or the top stories from each feed, and it also enables a diverse and balanced content curation. We also have text parsers in here, so we can extract structured details and headline summaries and convert it from HTML to normal text automatically. Okay, so this scenario is triggered on a schedule, and normally that's what it would be. So we've just done it manually. Let's just go now to the website that I have it connected to, which is my test website. Okay, this is my test site, so it's not like a real website, it's just where I run my tests on. You guys can visit it if you like. So first of all, you need to download the Make.com plugin. Okay, so once you've done that, you can connect it to WordPress. So if you're running on a WordPress site, download the plugin, Make.com, easy. Then get the API, okay, and then connect it to your module, as I have done here. So easy. Now I've got the website connected. I'm not going to show you my API key because that is obviously private. So now let's just refresh this. Now, as you can see, we have a post. Okay, global crisis in the US and celebration shape the July the 4th week. Okay, right. Let's view this. This is live. This is posted directly to the website just a few seconds ago. And as you can see, we have a news roundup article. Okay, latest news roundup article. Okay. Now, okay, so we have Fox News. So all we have to do is look for a URL that a company provides publicly. Some are free, some are paid for. So I've just got all the free ones here from all the news sites, the RSS links. So you just have to paste them in here. You just have to find them and paste them in here. So this one's from Fox News, that's their RSS link. This one is from another news feed, I'm not too sure what that one is. This is BBC, okay. This one is The Guardian. This one is New York Times, okay. I've not heard of that one. ABC, I've heard of that one. Okay, these are just the free ones, and Sky News, I think everyone's heard of that one as well. Okay, so this extracts that information. Okay, Donald Trump. Okay, this is just some news about Donald Trump. Let's have a look in here. What is this extracted? Okay, so as you can see here, this is coded. Okay, so this is HTML code. So we just want to transcribe. We just want to pass that through here, and this is the input, this is the output. Okay, so this is what it says. This is easier to read. Okay, this is about an attendee at the US Army. Okay, and it's about the 4th of July. Now, these ones aren't in HTML, as you can see. Some are not. That's why some have text parsers and some don't. This one obviously is, as you can see, so we've had to parse it through here. Okay. Now, we've got all the news articles, all the top headlining news articles. They're all here. Okay. Now, we've gathered them all up and we put them into one single variable with the date and the description. Okay, as you can see. So now we have it in one single variable. So it makes it easier to map out, if that makes sense. Okay, now I put the user input in here. This is those articles, as you can see, all 8 articles. I've just mapped out here, instead of mapping out 16 different metadatas, I have just got one here, one variable. Okay, now this is the outline. Now, use the provided 8 articles to create an outline. That includes all 8 stories. Follow these guidelines carefully. Okay, so if you would like, you can copy this, or for a quicker copy and paste, you can just download the blueprint. Okay, so this synthesizes raw RSS content into human-like editorial copy. Okay, this ensures clean, engaging summaries with brand consistent tone and avoids repetitive or AI detectable phrasing. Okay, so we have the outline here. Then this converts it to JSON, just so that we can map it out. Okay, so we got that result here, the outline. It's converted to JSON, and what I mean by mapping out, I've discussed this in one of my other videos on how to create a blog. This here is actually similar to the other blog video. Okay. Okay, so you just copy this. This creates the main body. As you can see, everything is mapped out here. We've got the SEO title from the outline, we've got the meta description, introduction and conclusion and main body. So this is the outline here. Now we're creating the main body. here is the outline reference, and here is the articles for reference, okay, the 8 articles. So then it creates the main body. This creates the prompt for the image, and then this generates the image. This is a DALL-E image, okay. WordPress only accepts data, it does not accept URLs, so when it does create the image, we just click on the URL here, image generation, DALL-E, and we add it to this HTTP module, get a file, and then it gets the data, and then we can add the data straight in here of the image, okay. WordPress only allows you to upload an image if it's to a post, to use an image for a post if it's already uploaded to the WordPress site. So we have to upload it first and then create the post, okay. This puts everything together, so this creates the whole post. So the meta description, introduction, result, this is the main body, and then the conclusion, okay. Then we post the media item, and then we create the post. Okay, so it's very, very, very simple. This now creates and publishes the final News Digest article, and this also supports categories and tags and scheduling for editorial calendars. I haven't added any tags in here or categories, but you can go to my portfolio and view my AI engine that I have created, which has categories and tags in there, okay? Okay. So we have the media item here, and then we have the content. Now, so download the blueprint and use this for your websites. Very powerful, very easy to create, and I hope I have helped you to maximize your output to production grade level. Okay, these automations impact businesses to a high degree. Okay, we want to improve businesses, increase ROI, and automate marketing. Okay, so this could be used for all of those things. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, check out my portfolio. Thank you.